Stop thinking that you're going to be seen in a crowd. Our God is not like that. Our God sees us individually. I hope I'm talking to somebody. The gospel is so simple. Today you want deeper. Deeper. Some of you come here and say, I want some deep revelation. But here it is. You are not seen in a crowd. You are seen individually. God sees you. When he saw him means he had an idea of what the man who needed a miracle looked like on that day. You have no idea what Jesus had this morning. He sees you, not in a crowd. He sees you individually. He knows you. And when he saw him, he's not addressing everyone. He's not saying, do you guys want to be well? He said, do you want to be well? He must have been pointing his finger. May I speak to you and say, this morning, God's finger is pointed at you. And the question is, do you want to be made whole? When your season comes, the questions are not asked en masse in a group. Questions become very personal. Because you see, we have personal needs. We have individual challenges. We don't have the same kind of needs. Each one of us has a totally different need. And God is asking you about your need. What about my neighbor? You leave your neighbor alone for now. We will come to your neighbor when their day comes. We are now talking about you. Do you want to be made whole? The answer should be, what? Well, this man does not have an answer. His opportunity to receive a miracle has come. And he begins to say all the negatives in hell and heaven that have hindered this miracle. He says, I have no man. When your season comes, you know how to answer questions. You know how to answer questions.